In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner. Okay, I made $7,150 in commission just in 11 days. Okay, from the first day of April, okay, until the day 11 of April this year. Okay, 2024, as you can see over here. Okay, I made this commission. So in today's video, guys, I will share with you how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner and make money from Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's get started. So first, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, okay, and search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying good commission. Okay, so just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country, okay, and choose your language, okay, over here. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. This will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard account, okay. It's really super easy. It will be like this. You have marketing tools, reports, you have payments, you have sub affiliates, commission plan, affiliates, user guide, affiliate store, and so on. Okay, it's super easy. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a profitable and trending services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, because you cannot promote any services, you need to choose which services are trending, what people are searching for on Pinterest. Okay, so what you need to do first, go back to Google, okay, and you need to search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Make sure to open a business account. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and search for Pinterest trend. Okay, click on the first link and you will be directly in this website over here about Pinterest trend. Okay, so we need to see what's trending on Pinterest before we start promoting services. We need to see what's trending. Okay, so go to Pinterest trend, click over here, and you can choose which country you want to target. Okay, if you want to target audience from United States, you can select United States, Canada, Italy, Spain, and so on. Okay, so let's just leave it in United States. Scroll down, you have here top trends in United States this month. Okay, this is what's trending on Pinterest this month in United States. Okay, so let's check. We have here nails, we have hairstyle, fashion. Let's check this fashion topics. Okay, and scroll down, click over here on date and select 3 months. Okay, like this, and here you go. You can see that fashion topics are trending. Okay, it's trending, it's just going up. So what you need to do next, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, click on the search and search for fashion. Okay, so search for services related to fashion, because this topic is trending and a lot of people will be interested to buy some services related to fashion. Okay, because it's already trending on Pinterest. Okay, search for fashion, scroll down. Let's see if we can find a good seller. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are a good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, let me see if we can find good one. I think like this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. Let's check this seller. So just click on this seller profile link and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. This seller has one order in queue. People keep coming back. So this seller is providing good service for his customers. So what you need to do, just copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Let me show you. Click over here and you have here dashboard, marketing tools. Click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links. You will be directly in this page. Click on dip link and put this seller profile link here, okay, like this, and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. Okay, go back to your Pinterest homepage. So why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest, so did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, guys? 1 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly and if you stay consistent. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's really a lot of traffic. Okay, so a lot of people, millions of people scrolling on Pinterest every single day, searching for services, topics, product, and so much more. Okay, so anyway, just go back to your homepage on Pinterest, click on home feed and click on create pin, and here you go. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture, upload this picture to your laptop, double click, save image. Okay, and you need to save this picture to your laptop. I will name it fashion. Okay, save, go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture, fashion, click on open, and here you go. You need title and description. Go back to this seller profile page, copy this title like this, okay, and go back to Pinterest and put this title over here. You are just an affiliate marketer, so you can copy those details or information, it's fine. Scroll down, go back to the seller profile page, scroll down. Okay, you should see about this gig. This is his description. Okay, copy this part. I will copy this part. Okay, let's copy this one like this, copy. Okay, go to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down. You need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So if you don't have this Fiverr CPA old plan, that's fine, okay, because for me I have all the Fiverr affiliates account. Okay, this account is old, it's almost like 4 years. Okay, I have been doing this business for years. So if you don't have this one, that's fine, you can copy this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, it's almost the same. Okay, you can copy your affiliate link from here and go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Okay, scroll down, click on choose a board. So if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags or keywords. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down like this. You should see related tags. Okay, like this. You should see this one, related tags. Copy those keywords. Okay, copy those keywords, go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Those keywords are very important and you have here matched tags. Okay, you can use those keywords like this and you can, so you will click on fashion and use all those keywords, fashion designer like this. Okay, let's write again fashion, Korean fashion. You have a lot of keywords. Just put here fashion, and Pinterest will give you related tags that people are using to search for like those services or topics. Okay, after you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. This is your picture about your service. This is your affiliate link from here. This is your title, and this is your description. Okay, that's how we can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner. So, like I said, use Pinterest trend, do your research, see what's trending, what people are searching for, okay? Go back to your Fiverr homepage, search for services related to those topics that people are searching for on Pinterest, start promoting those services on Pinterest, and that's it. That's the method that I'm using, and that's how I promote my affiliate links to earn commission like this, okay? It's super easy, guys, okay? Using free traffic. You just need to do a lot of research, see what's trending, and stay consistent, keep improving, and you can make a lot of money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, if you have a new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day, your account will get banned. Okay, I have a lot of Pinterest accounts. I have like five, maybe five Pinterest business account that I'm using to promote my affiliate links to get more traffic. So, but for you as beginner, just start with one Pinterest affiliate account. That's fine. Okay, start with one affiliate with one Pinterest account. Promote your affiliate links. See what's working, what's not working, and double what's working, and you can start making a lot of commission. Okay. Try a lot of services, go to Pinterest trend, see what's trending, promote services related to those topics that are trending, see what's working, okay, and keep promoting those services that are working, that are getting you commission, and that's it. Okay, I'm also working, guys, on a course that will be, like I said, will be almost done in like 10 days. Okay, and they will publish this course, and they will keep you guys updated. Let me know, guys, if you are interested to make money with affiliate marketing. Comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will uh, publish this course and keep you guys updated about it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.